Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number E23068. Only 6,000 miles in this Grand Cherokee. Clean auto check history report. Walnut Brown Metallic in color. This was one of our service courtesy vehicles. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5, leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. It's a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. Power Liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides. Perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. With additional underfloor storage with the removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, there's no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And 4-wheel drive. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming. And power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6-liter V6, 295 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon and a city average of 25 on the highway. And again, only 6,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.